Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So really quick, I did want to give you guys an early indicator of what's happening in the market, regardless of earnings, regardless of banks, regardless of news. On Friday, I'll update you guys. Probably by maybe like I'll try to do it, but more than likely in the morning. I'll probably make a video in the morning. Um, so I might not. I'm not really used to making videos in the afternoon or after the market closes because at that point it's already too late. But generally, the idea here is that when Apple is a leading indicator of the market trailing down, my indicator has only been wrong once, which is right here on March 6th, the week of, and this was because of the bank news that kind of you had like a little QE rally and stuff. So, oh, damn it, stupid teams. I am working right now. So right now, again, every single time you end up dropping on these weekly triggers, right? You went from a high right here on Apple down to a low. You dropped 25 bucks. Same thing here, right? It was an early trigger here, all the way down. You dropped $36 on that perfect entry. Again, here on Apple, we dropped from here, right, all the way down. You drop $40, and then from here, right, from this high, you dropped all the way down here. So you drop $32, right? So you drop 32 bucks, $41, $36, $26, right? Generally, the average drop here is about, let's go with maybe $30 within, let's go with 70 days, which is the longest dated out time frame. So we'll do a $30 drop in 70 days and see where that actually puts us. So from these highs, right, we'll do a $30 drop, 70 days, $30 drop. There you go. We'll run this, go to object tree, take all this off. So as of right now, I would actually be more inclined to say that Apple's going to drop to 130 by, early July, late June. So as of right now, on Friday, if we actually close like this, my target for the market is actually going to be another 20% down. And I'm using Apple as a leading indicator. And I do think that you'll actually have this massive drop to Apple back to like 130 or so by like late June, early July, if you actually close this on Friday. So just a quick heads up, this is the kind of stuff that I show you guys on my Patreon and the kind of stuff that's going to be in my new website where I offer all that stuff or whatever. But just wanted to give you a quick heads up. I'll come back and I'll make another video on Friday. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.